Here in the video, we will share the details for the Xfinity Comcast error code XRE-03121. The error reads, "Sorry, there seems to be a problem here. If you've made changes to your account recently, the updates may still be in process. If you haven't made any changes, please try watching another channel or try again later." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to access content on their Xfinity service, but instead they receive this message and are unable to proceed. According to our research, this error is likely caused by a temporary system interruption or an account-related issue, especially if recent changes were made to the account. The first thing we suggest is to ensure that all TV connections are properly connected and tight. After confirming the connections, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then perform a system refresh. To do this, say refresh or system refresh into your Xfinity voice remote. Then wait for the refresh process to complete. Then check for the error again. If the error still persists, then unplug your TV box for 1 to 2 minutes and then plug it back in. After that, see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then contact Xfinity support. Then report the issue and ask for help directly from their support team. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.